right, so this is I think just the easiest way to play this tune. And so originally, you know, you always got to know where the track came from. I think it was Steve Miller Band, Abracadabra. That was the original track where he got this sample from. But yeah, it's really pretty simple. It's just 3 chords, I think, for the entire song. So I'll show you the riff first, though. So the first riff is just going to start with an open A string, then 3rd fret, which I'm playing with my ring finger, and then so open A, 3rd fret of A, and then 2nd fret of D that you can play with your middle finger. All right, so that's the first riff. Then you just take that entire riff and move it down a string or up a string to the D string. So you're going open D, 3rd fret of D, 2nd fret of G, right? So you got and then finally go down to the low E string. Open E, 3rd fret of E, 2nd fret of A. With that part, the strum part, you can just play an A minor chord, index finger 1st fret of the B, middle finger 2nd fret of the D, ring finger 2nd fret of the G. And your focus will be from the A string. So I'm just doing like a down, up, and then you can do like a chuck. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Go to a D minor, index finger 1st fret of the high E, middle finger 2nd fret of the G, ring finger 3rd fret of the B. And your focus again can kind of be from that A string, that D string. So you got now we're going to go to E7, index finger 1st fret of the G, middle finger 2nd fret of the A. And this, you can get all the strings. And then back to the A minor. And you don't have to do that strum pattern. You could just strum all of them, or it's just strum every beat. But that should get you a good start on this song. I hope you liked the lesson. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.